python-dateutil converting string to a date and time. I'm trying to convert a parameter of type string to a date time. I'm using the DateUtil library. Every time I run this I get September 1st, 2001, 12 o'clock and 3 seconds. Regardless of whether I have day first set as true or year first set as false. Ideally, I just want to have a date in the format DDMMYYYYHHMMSS. I don't want anything fancy. I am willing to use the datetime library, but this doesn't seem to work at all for me. Can anyone give simple examples of how to convert strings to date time with an explicit format? I'm a noob, so the most basic examples are all I require. I'm using Python 2.7.
The standard lib, built-in datetime lib can do this easily.
The problem you're having is that any arguments you pass to parser.parse only affect how the string is parsed, not how the subsequent object is printed. Parser.parse returns a datetime object. When you print it, it will just use datetime's default __str___ method. If you replace your last line with, it will work as you expect.